Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths and Fun, right? So let's begin today's session in fractions, arranging given fraction numbers from smallest to greatest, which is called ascending order. So what are we going to do? We are going to arrange them from smallest to greatest. ठीक है? Okay. Right now we have some fraction numbers and we have to arrange them from smallest to greatest. सबसे छोटे से सबसे बड़े की तरफ. But now, for example, I'm taking few whole number or normal numbers or natural numbers. For example, I have 128, 48, 13 and 207. Right? And I want to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to greatest. सबसे छोटा, उससे बड़ा and सबसे बड़ा. This is called ascending order. So, out of these numbers, 13 is the smallest one. Right? So, I am just crossing it and I am writing 13 here. After 13, from these number, which is bigger? So, 128, 48 or 207? 48 is bigger than 13. It will come here. Now, out of 128 and 207, which is smaller? Which should come here, which is greater than 48? It is 128. And now I am left with the last number, which is 207. This is called ascending order. Here, in these number, this is smallest, right? And this is greatest. और बीच में जो है वो smaller numbers हैं. So, this is for natural numbers, which you must have done in your chapter 1. Place value, numbers or large number, whatever the name of the chapter is, उसमें हमने ये already सीखा है. But यही चीज हमें fractions में भी करनी है. So, the rule will be a little different. Let's move to that. Now we have few fraction numbers 3 upon 7, 1 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. We have 4 different fraction numbers with same denominator. So rule 1 says when your denominators are same, we compare only numerators and arrange them from smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. ठीक है? चलिए. When, I'm writing the rule for your help. When denominators are same, we compare only numerators and arrange them from smallest to greatest. Okay? Smallest to greatest. This is the rule. Rule says, भाई rule क्या बोलता है? Rule कहता है when denominators are same, you compare numerators. है ना भाई? जब denominator same ही है तो उनको क्या compare करना? आप numerators को compare करिए and arrange them from smallest to greatest. So let's do the same. 3, 1, 5, 2. Out of 3, 1, 5, 2, this is the smallest one. Then 2 is the smaller. Then this will be 3 and this will be 4. ठीक है? So this is how in ascending order we will arrange them 1 upon 7. Which is bigger than 1 upon 7? 2 upon 7. Now crocodile mouth will be open to the right side towards the number which is bigger or which is greater. Now which is greater than 2 upon 7? 3 upon 7. And the last but not the least 5 upon 7 and this is your answer. Okay. So simple rule you have to follow. When denominators are same, you compare only numerators and arrange them from smallest to greatest. This is rule 1. Type 1, when denominators are same and you have to arrange in ascending order. ठीक है. नाउ सेकेंड टाइप, मूविंग ऑन टू द सेकेंड टाइप. Okay, again it will be ascending order, but now with different denominators. Okay, I'm sorry, with same numerators. पहले डिनोमिनेटर सेम थे, अब न्यूमिरेटर सेम होंगे विद सेम न्यूमिरेटर्स. ठीक है, तो चलिए लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल. आई हैव 5/9, 5/3, 5/2 and 5/4. Now this time we can see same numerators. In this question, all the numerators are same. When numerators are same, then in that case, what your rule says? Rule says when numerators are same, compare their denominators and arrange them from greatest to smallest while arranging fractions in descending order. ठीक है, तो रूल ने बोला है भाई when numerators are same then your greatest वाला जो denominator है वो ही smallest fraction होगा. So out of 2, 4, 3, 9, 9 is the greatest, so this is the smallest क्योंकि arrange करना है ascending order, मतलब smallest to greatest में. Then this will be 1, after this will be 2, this will be 3 and this will be 4. Correct? So 5/9 will be the smallest one. ठीक है, so let's write it. Space is less, यहाँ पर लिख देते हैं आंसर. So answer will be or ascending order. Five upon 9 will be the smallest. Now bigger than this 5/4. Now bigger than this 5/3. And then the last will be 5/2. ठीक है, so it's all about rule. It's all about rule only. Whatever rule says, follow that. So एक बार revise कर लेते हैं, just quick revision. When your denominators are same, compare numerators. और उसमें क्या compare करना है? जो भी numerators है उनको ascending order में लिख दो with their denominators, मतलब complete fraction form में. ठीक है, and when numerators are same, in that case जो आपका सबसे बड़ा denominator होगा वो सबसे छोटा fraction number होगा. ठीक है, so in that case arrange fraction number denominator, I mean arrange fraction numbers with their denominators from greatest to smallest. देखिए 9, 4, 3, 2. ठीक है, so this is the ascending order. है तो 5/9, 9 इनमें सबसे बड़ा है, but in the form of fraction it is the smallest fraction amongst these. ठीक है, तो ये हमें याद रखना है. This is called ascending order of fraction number with same denominators and with different denominators. तो अभी आपको क्या करना है, आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. one question we have done, one question you will do, and then you will understand better. You will not get confused in their rules. वो confusion आपका clear हो जाएगा. So that's it. रिवाइज करिए और उसको अपने एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करिए. बाकी मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. टिल द टाइम, बाय.